What's going on everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's just going to be a quick, short, easy video. I'm going to quickly go over how to make any type of logo with AI in just a few seconds. So let's jump straight into this. Alright, so we're going to go onto Google and search up Canva. Alright, now we'll come down and go click on apps. Then we're going to go click on the search bar and just type up AI logo. Click the first one. Now you can either use an existing design or in a new design. I'm just going to do a new design under a logo. Now you can choose whatever size you're going to make it. It's going to bring us to a blank page. Now all we have to do is describe the type of logo we want. So now just as a demonstration for the video, we're going to do a roofing company. So we'll just type that in here, roofing company. Right, simple as that. We can go down and select the type of style we want. So if we want a tech, if we want a modern, a playful, a flashy, that's up to you. You can pick what one you want. I'm going to just go with modern for now. Primary color, we're going to go with a yellowy orange. Now the company name, pretty self-explanatory, just type it in. Alright, and then we can come down here and click on generate, and then it's going to do its thing. Alrighty, now AI has done its thing. As you can see, it's just made us a very nice design logo within just a few minutes. Now if you guys do want to change it up, you can go ahead and change the colors, and you can add things to it if you want. But yeah, that's basically how you do that in just a few minutes. A very, very easy, good looking logo for anything, business, sport logos, anything like that. This is how you can use AI for this, and yeah, speed up the process instead of spending hours on making logos. Now I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick video. If you did, make sure you leave a like on the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.